The moment of a motocross racer, competing skills to achieve victory, where they have to pass through various obstacles. Sometimes have to pass through potholes and muddy roads. All obstacles they must pass. In order to achieve that goal, yes, that is victory. Sometimes we have to compete physically, until it causes an accident. The most difficult obstacle is on muddy roads. Not a few racers fall, and also on high roads many also fall because they land wrong. Everything pays off when we reach the finish. We are very happy when we are on stage and receive the trophy. Tire him, the team, in all of that will disappear by itself. Greetings from Hobby for Motocross Racing. The moment of a motocross racer, competing skills to achieve victory, where we have to pass through various obstacles. Sometimes have to pass through potholes and muddy roads. All obstacles we must pass. In order to achieve that goal, yes, that is victory. Sometimes we have to compete physically, until it causes an accident. The most difficult obstacle is on the muddy road. Not a few racers fall, and also on high roads many also fall because they land wrong. But everything pays off when we reach the finish. We are very happy when we are on stage and receive a trophy. Tire race, the team, in all of that will disappear by itself. Greetings one hobby for motocross races. The moment of a motocross race. Sometimes have to pass through potholes and muddy roads. All obstacles we must pass. In order to achieve that goal, yes, that is victory. Sometimes we have to compete physically, until it causes an accident. The most difficult obstacle is on a muddy road. Not a few racers fall, and also on high roads many also fall because they land wrong. But everything pays off when we reach the finish. We are very happy when we are on stage and receive a trophy. Tire race, the team, in all of that will disappear by itself. Greetings one hobby for motocross racing. The moment of a motocross racer, competing skills to achieve victory, where they have to pass through various obstacles. Sometimes have to pass through potholes and muddy roads. All obstacles we must pass. In order to achieve that goal, yes, that is victory. Sometimes we have to compete physically, until it causes an accident. The most difficult obstacle is on a muddy road. Not a few racers fall, and also on high roads many also fall because they land wrong. But everything pays off when we reach the finish.